Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Bitcoin to your bank account in 2025. Quickly, safely, and step by step. Whether you've been holding for a while or just made a recent profit, here's exactly how to turn your Bitcoin into a real cash. Let's jump right into it. First, you need to move your Bitcoin to a crypto exchange that supports fiat withdrawals. Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or BusinessMap are some of the most trusted options. If your Bitcoin is in a personal wallet like Church Wallet or Ledger, open it and tap Send. Now, copy your Bitcoin wallet address from the exchange. In your exchange app, go to Deposit, select Bitcoin, and copy the wallet address from. Paste that address into your personal wallet's send screen. Choose how much Bitcoin you want to send and confirm the transfer. It might take a few minutes depending on the network speed. Once your Bitcoin has landed in the exchange account, go ahead and sell it for your local currency like dollar, euro, or Great British pound. Just hit trade or sell. Select Bitcoin and choose the amount and complete the order. Now that your Bitcoin is converted to in cash, go to withdrawal or transfer to bank. Pick your linked bank account or debit card. Enter the amount and confirm. Depending on the exchange and method, withdrawals can take anywhere from minutes to up to 3 days. And that's all there is to it. Deposit Bitcoin to an exchange, sell it, and withdraw the money to your bank. Simple and secure. If this guide helped you out, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto and finance contents, and I'll catch you in the next one.